Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
With the Putin visit to India in December, we could see a lot of major deals in between the two countries. We have already made a detailed video on the most important ones which we could see materializing during the high-profile visit. It includes 12 Su-30 MKIs, 21 MiG-29s, Ka-31 helicopters, 464 T-90 MS MBTs, Igla-S, Vishorad, 3 refurbished Kilo-class submarines and upgrade of another 3 Sindhu Ghosh Kilo-class submarines. In today's video, we will be discussing regarding the technical and strategical agreements between the two countries which will further bolster the cooperation, intelligence sharing and ties between the nations. India has already signed 3 important agreements with United States which are BECA, LEMUA and COMCASA. US signs these 3 agreements with its ally which are strategically important for it. The LEMUA or Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Agreement is one of the 3 foundational agreements between India and US. It was signed between two countries in August 2016 after a decade-long negotiation. It is the Indian specific version of Logistic Support Agreement LSA. The agreement facilitates the military of both countries to use each other's bases for refueling and replenishment purposes. This does not mean that US troops will be stationed in India or vice versa. The agreement is purely logistical. The agreement is useful for Navy-to-Navy cooperation between the two countries and allows India to use the string of US facilities across the globe for logistic support. Similarly, the US can also benefit from the Indian facilities. The Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement (BECA) will enable both the countries to share geospatial information on maps and satellites for defense purposes. Geospatial information is required while sailing a ship, flying an aircraft, fighting wars, or locating targets. The COMCASA or Communication Compatibility and Security Agreement was signed between two countries in September 2018. It is the Indian specific version of Communication Interoperability and Security Memorandum Agreement CIS MOA and is valid for 10 years. The agreement facilitates India to use United States encrypted communication equipment and systems. Indian and US military commanders, aircraft and ship can communicate through secure network in peace and war. Similar to LEMUA, India and Russia are all set to sign the Reciprocal Exchange of Logistic Agreement or RELAWS. It will allow both the nations to use each other's naval and air bases without too many formalities. Russia has huge presence and dominance in Arctic region. Significantly, RELAWS is expected to provide the Indian military with access to Russian facilities in a strategic Arctic region that has witnessed increased global activity after the opening of new shipping routes. It will also enable India's access to its own investments in Russia Far East regions. RELAWS is also part of the broader arrangement between two countries to scale up their existing military-to-military cooperation. India is looking for a possible investment in oil and gas exploration project within the Arctic Circle, including the development of Vostok oil project. The project's annual crude production could be up to 100 million tons according to the preliminary estimates. India is negotiating investments between 2 and $3 billion in Russian oil and gas exploration and production projects with Russian government. Russia has offered several oil and gas fields to ONGC Videsh and any potential consortium they stitch together for the project. This will be for exploring and producing oil and gas in Russia. The RELAWS will be helpful here as well as it's meant to improve the logistic support between two countries. These agreements will greatly expand India's military reach, especially for Navy, and influence in the various regions that are strategically important to India. It will save enormous time and reduce overall cost of lengthy formalities that militaries have to otherwise do with each visit. Military logistics agreements are merely administrative arrangements between strategic partners that would facilitate replenishment of fuel, rations, and spare parts, as well as berthing and maintenance of each other's warships, military aircraft, and troops during port visits and joint exercises on a reciprocal basis, essentially simplifying the process of extending logistic support to one another. The Indian Navy will be benefited the most from these logistic pacts. These agreements have enhanced operational turnaround and strengthened interoperability among the partner navies in the high seas.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.